Unlock the power of streamlined communication and reach your audience effectively with Wati's bulk WhatsApp feature, which can elevate your business's outreach. First, head over to your Wati Dashboard. You'll find the broadcasts or bulk messages option in the main menu. Let's click on that to begin. To kick things off, click on the prominent Create New Broadcast button. This will guide you through the process of setting up your bulk message campaign. Now, give your broadcast a descriptive name like Winter Promotion 2024. Then select your recipient list from your saved contacts, or upload a new CSV file containing your contacts. It's time to craft your message. Use the Wati editor to write compelling content. Personalize your messages with tags to address each recipient by name, and add images or videos to make your broadcast engaging. Finally, choose whether to send your broadcast immediately or schedule it for a later date and time. Review all the details one last time, and click Confirm to launch your bulk WhatsApp campaign. With this done, you can now see the power of bulk messaging through Wati.